Hello students, welcome back in our online class. This is your Elijah Miss, and last class we learned about comprehension. Today this is actually second part of this lesson, and I wish you will enjoy with me. Actually, it was your comprehension and last day I wish you learned all that properly. It was a small comprehension, and if you read it properly you can easily answer all these. Okay, so this is actually your question. Read the given text carefully and answer the following question A, B, C and D. First one, match the words in column A with their meanings and that are mentioned in column B. So this is actually your first question, and here actually the question column A and column B match with these words. Okay, think about this first. We start normally our day with a cup of tea. So here answer will be tea. Early means time. So here one word mentioned times, that is before time. Sometimes it's actually not regular. That is why here has occasionally it's also not regular. So this will be match. Also means o. So here also two means so o. Juice it's a liquid things. Here also fluid also liquid, দ্রবণীয়. So it will be answer. Here I write down all this for you, so please boss look at this. Breakfast tea. Early, before time, sometimes, occasionally, also juice, fluid. So when you write down, try to follow in this way. Just write down the two words and keep your space. This is actually your fill of the gaps. 5 gaps for you. If you read the text carefully, easily you can fill up this. Here first one, we need dash to live. Now, it's obviously we need food to live. Food helps dash. Food helps us grow. Food gives us dash. Food gives us energy. Without food, we cannot get enough energy. We feel weak of the lack of food. That is why we need to eat food, enough food. According our demand, we need to eat food every day. We have dash in the morning. Yeah, we have breakfast in the morning. We have dash at noon. It's common words. We have lunch at noon. So all of these are actually easy. You can fill up these 5 gaps easily. Here also answer for you. First one, we need food to live. Second, food helps us grow. Third, C, food gives us energy. D, we have breakfast in the morning. And last, we have lunch at noon. So these red colors are actually your answer. Third one, true or false. Write down here true green color and false red colors. So when you write down your answer, please keep uh, try to keep a bracket and start with capital letter. So first one, food provides us energy. Food provides us energy. It's a true, because we get energy from food. That is why you can write down here true. We eat the same kinds of food at the same times. No, it's incorrect. When we eat, we try to take various foods, so that is why it's actually incorrect. That means you need to write down here false. See, in the morning we have tea. Yes, it's true. We normally start our day with tea. That is why this sentence will be correct, and you need to write down here true. At noon we have dinner. No, noon it's mention our lunch. We normally take our lunch in noon. That is why you can write down here false. Sweetmeats takes after dinner. It's called pudding. Yeah, you can write down here false. You can write down here true. Sweetmeat taken after dinner. Yes, normally we take pudding after dinner. That is why you can write down here true. We have 3 meals a day. Yes, we have 3 meals a day. Is true. That is why you can write down here true. So this is actually your answer. First one, Food provides us energy. True. We eat the same kinds of food at the same time. False. In the morning we have tea. True. At noon we have dinner. False. Sweetmeats taken after dinner. Yes, it's true, because we normally take our dinner together. That is why that time we like to take some sweetmeats, and it's maybe pudding. So this is actually true. We have 3 meals a day. Yes, we take normally food. It's breakfast time, it's lunch time, and dinner time. It's actually our big 3 meals. So that is why it's actually true. Another time also we take some fruits, but that are not our meal time. Question answer. Okay. First question: what do you need to live? It's a simple answer. We need food. Second, why must we eat food? Before we learn about it, you can easily answer. Okay, what do we usually eat for breakfast? When you write down your question answer, please think about your dining table, what you eat normally in breakfast time. Think about your breakfast time and try to keep the answer. What do we usually eat for lunch? This is also you need to think about your lunch table. What do we usually eat for dinner? So all of these are related with our previous class. If you watch your this class before start or before see this class, you need to start your previous class, that means comprehension part 1 class. There I kept some picture that was related with our breakfast and lunch and dinner time. So if you watch that picture easily, you can find out the answer, and if you read the comprehension easily, you can write down, or you're able to write down all the answer. Okay, so this is actually your time to think about yourself, think about your table, and try to write down all this with the help this comprehension. So this is actually your answer. I write down all that for you. That is why you can write down, and you can match with your copy, with this copy. First one, we need food to live. Okay. Second, we must eat food to live, to grow, and to get energy. C, we usually eat bread, puffed rice, egg, and drink tea or milk for breakfast. Think about your dining table. Okay, what you drink or to take in breakfast time. Okay, D. For lunch, we usually have rice, vegetables, chickens, beef or fish or curry and Latin. These are well-known food, and normally we eat all that in our lunch time. Okay, E. For dinner, we usually eat rice, curry, vegetables and Latin, and sometimes sweet also. So in dinner time, we normally take our food, or we eat our food together, and that time our mother also kept some special food for us, and sometimes they she like to make some sweet, that is called dessert. So in dinner time normally we take all this. That is why it's actually uh, our delicious food, because we eat here together. So this is all for today, and all are these are your actually answer. I wish you will able to write down, or you will learn all that, and please try to write down all this in your CW copy and try to run for yourself and practicing at home, because practice make a man perfect. So that is why try to learn it all that at your home and try to practice it for your betterment. Okay, so no more today. This is all for today. I wish you will learn at home, and take care yourself. Bye bye.